Hi, my name is Zachary Sharp, and welcome to my presentation of my HORT 120 VIP3D project. Today we will be going through a few things, such as comparing and contrasting VIP3D and Real-Time Landscape Architect, the two 3D modeling softwares we have used in class, as well as going through the different aspects and main design layers that we use in VIP3D. Let's begin. We will begin by comparing and contrasting VIP3D with Real-Time Landscape Architect. There are a few key differences in the two. First being the layers. Real-Time used layers that you could create and you had to assign objects to them. VIP only allows you to work in one specific layer at a time, such as only placing plants, and they are all assigned to the plant layer, or designing the house, and so on. In VIP3D, unlike Real-Time Landscape Architect, you cannot work in the 3D model space. We will start with our first layer, the design layer. In the design layer, you have multiple different options to choose from. However, you can only do one at a time, such as inserting an image in the initial product information stage or drawing a house. There are many tools in there that I found very useful, such as the measuring tape, which allows you to put a temporary boundary to draw your dimensions of your desired project. Next, we move on to the materials stage. While we have created everything in the design stage on their respective layers, they are all generic. This is where we use the material stage, where we go through working in the 3D model space to select surfaces to change the desired material they are made out of. This is where you add your siding, roofing, change the texture of your ground, your patio, and so on. Material stage is quite helpful, and there is a large number of items you can use. Our next layer is the plants and items layer. In the plants and items layer, this is where we can go through and add our plants and items, such as your trees, shrubs, and outdoor accessories, such as tables, chairs, and other items. This reverts you back to the 2D model space because VIP does not allow you to work in the 3D space. So everything is laid out in the 2D space, and then you can move back to the 3D to see how it looks. There's a large variety of items to use here, which I found very nice. Next is the presentation stage. Presentation stage allows you to take photos of your project and create a video walkthrough. You can also set your area code and your day of the year, and VIP will then take your daylight settings and optimize them to fit your geographic location. This is very helpful for showing both summer, winter, and fall landscapes. You can also change the time of day to fit your presentation as seen fit. Our last layer is the construction layer. This is where we can mark up, we can add our smart data charts as shown on the title slide, and we can create a master plan to show the entire landscape space. We can also choose to show or remove layers of items that we have previously made throughout the project. All in all, VIP was a very informative program to learn how to use, and I would love to continue using it further. Thank you for watching my presentation. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day.